Hi guys, welcome back to Urban Treats. Today's episode is a little bit different. We're not actually cooking anything. Today we're going to show you how we actually film the episodes and what we use. So that was a request in our previous video. I think Rob requested that, so we thought it was a good idea, and we wanted to show you a little bit, how we do things behind the scenes, basically. Let me grab our B-cam. And let me introduce you to George.
Hello guys.
So George is editing and filming here with me, all the episodes, we work together. And let me show you a little bit the gear that we are using. So the camera I'm holding, this one here, that's a Sony a7S III, is that right, George? Yeah. Sony a7S III, so that's George's camera. He just got that, and it's quite a sweet camera. It has a super good autofocus. And then we have our lighting kit here in the back. So we have a Godox SL60, which is like just a hair light or a background light. And then I'm not going in any specific order, I'm just going around all the gear. So this is like a B-cam that we're using. This is a Panasonic Lumix S1 with a 24-105 lens. So we can get really nice and close on the cooking table. And it's also a macro lens, so you can get nice close-up shots with this one too. So then, next piece of equipment here is a Godox FV150. So that's like light and a strobe in one.
The main light.
Yeah, the key light here. And that one is diffused through a newer softbox. It's like a deep parabolic box with 2 layers of diffusion. The fill light is natural light. So you see we're lucky we have a lot of windows here, and most of the fill light is from here, and then we just key with that one. Now this here is the main cam. So that's the Lumix S1H, also a Panasonic camera. Let's focus here for a bit, yep. And we're shooting through a Samyang 35mm lens. And at the moment, we don't need any NDs yet because it's not so bright yet, but maybe in the summer we will. And then here we have a bit of a monitor. There's a Ninja, which we attached here to make it easier to see and correct all the pictures. For sound, the main sound comes through a Rode microphone. And you can see this is the Rode Wireless Go. And I'll let George plug that back in. So, and that's the main sound when you hear me talking, but we have a few backup microphones. You see there's a Rode microphone on this camera, and there's one on the Sony as well. So we have backup sound always in case something goes wrong. And the crew, you already met George. And then we also have Dio here. Hey Dio, come here boy, say hello. Say hello, come on. No? So this is Dio. Dio is... He's the tester. He tests the food, and he's also an assistant here on the set. So let me turn that over. So that's pretty much how we record. If you want any more details, feel free to ask. Leave a message in the comment, and we'll be more than happy to give you some more technical details if you want, or some other information. So for me, it's over and out. Thank you. I'll see you next week. Bye.